How to create custom extension with ChatGPT. If you want more tutorials like this, click the subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are updates in this video. And of course, in this video, we will need to use Visual Studio Code for our coding for our Chrome extension. So first here in our ChatGPT, so we are going to command ChatGPT to create a Chrome extension that would convert dollar to euro and make it creative and responsive. So after you have type in that on ChatGPT or in ChatGPT, it will create codes and or generate codes for you as you desired. So as you can see, it will be generating some codes here with some instructions. After it have been finished generating the codes, you can now follow the instructions on how to use the codes that have been generated in the Visual Studio Code. So first here it is said that we are going to create this folder with these files. So just go to your Visual Studio Code and create a folder containing these files according to the name. Here just create, and now I have created the codes or the files here that I am going to put the codes in. So as you can see that in this file I am going to put the code here. Then go back to your ChatGPT, and for this code the file is in this name in the HTML pop-up. So just follow the code names or the codes that are assigned to any file. Just paste it. So copy this, paste it there. So once you have done that, it is now time for you to save it. You can name it whatever you want, but for less confusion, you can name it as Chrome extension. And now how to use it or to put it in the Chrome or as an extension. So we would go to extensions and go to manage extensions and make sure that the developer mode is on. And here you have here the options right here. So this is not the one, and you can change or choose the load unpack extensions and locate the extension that you have created earlier. So I hope this has helped you, and see you on the next video.